In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SolveMe Mobile's website. First, click on the link and then just select play. You don't even have to log in because we're just going to practice. I'm going to go ahead and start with puzzle number 12. So click on it and it takes me there to a mobile. In the mobile, you can see that it adds up to be a total of 20. That means that the left side and the right side in total is 20. But since my mobile is perfectly balanced, I know that the left side equals 10 and the right side equals 10. So I'm going to go ahead and label that. And then down below, I also see that in my key, a green circle has a value of 3. So I know that this green circle is 3, and so is this one and this one. If I know that the total on the left side is 10, I should be able to subtract the green circle to find the purple triangle. So when I do that, 10 minus 3 has to equal 7. So I know that this purple triangle is 7. Let's look at the right side now. We know that in total it has to be equal to 10. And I can subtract the two green circles. So 10 minus 3 more. 10 minus 3 is 7. And 7 minus 3 more is 4. So I know that these two red trapezoids equal 4. So to figure out what one of them would equal, I would divide by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So one of the trapezoids is 2. Down below here, I'm going to type in my answer. So I think a red trapezoid is 2, and a purple triangle is 7. I'm going to double check my work. 7 plus 3 is 10, and 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 3 more is 10. So I think that this should work out, and I'm going to click Submit. Correct! Now, if that was too easy, I can go back to my Puzzles menu and click on the Puzzler tab. In the Puzzler tab, you're going to see even harder mobiles. So let's take a look at number 71. This time it says that the total here is 24, but I'm not given any information down below in my key. So it's going to get a little tricky. What I do know though is that since my mobile is even here, that this whole side has to be half of 24, and then the right side also has to be equal to half of 24. Half of 24 is 24 divided by 2, which equals 12. So I know that this whole side equals 12, and this whole side also equals 12. Now, I can tell that I have an unknown orange square and an unknown purple heart. I know that together they add to 12, but one of them could be 8 and the other be 4. One could be 6 and the other be 6. One could be 10, one could be 2, but I'm not for certain. So let's look at this other mobile. Here we have a separate hanger beneath it, but I know that this hanger in total is 12. So this half over here must equal 6, and this half over here must also equal 6. So right away I should know that this trapezoid has a value of 6. Since there's two hearts over here that also equal 6, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So each one of these hearts, since they're the same, would also have a value of 3. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in to my answer box. We'll check it in a second. I think a heart is 3 and the trapezoid is 6. On the right side now, since I solved for my purple heart, I should be able to substitute a 3 in for my heart. If the orange square plus the purple heart equals 12, all I need to do is subtract 3 from 12. So 12 minus 3 equals 9. So what's left over must be the value of the square. So that should be 9. I'm going to put it in my box as my potential answer and check it. This half is 12. 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 is equal to 6. but 6 plus 6 also adds to 12. On the right side, 9 plus 3 does equal 12, so I think my answer choices are correct. And we submit, and it's right. So have fun playing and practicing with all these mobiles. Do as many as you want, and remember to start with the easy ones, which are under the Explore, and the harder ones are under the Puzzle.